Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this wireless CarPlay adapter for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's nice because it allows you to have, as I've said, CarPlay wirelessly when your car doesn't have it that way, that you need to connect the cable and everything. This is a nice adapter that you can just plug it in and connect your cell phone to it with Bluetooth, and now you will have CarPlay wireless without having to connect your cell phone anytime. And what I think that it's nice is that it's a stable connection that you can just leave it there, and when you get again into your car, the connection will be set up. Okay, as you can see, it's a really nice and small device. It has a nice color and it comes with this cord that you just have to plug it in. It also comes with a adapter in the case that your car doesn't comes with a USB-A port and comes with a USB Type-C port, which I think that is nice. I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna use the USB-A port that it comes with, and it has the user manual with all the important information, how to connect it, all the capabilities, and the LED light description, which I think that it's nice. That way you can know each step of your device, how to connect it, and how to take care of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, I'm right here at my car, so come on. Okay guys, I'm at my car, and as you can see, I have the cable that I use to connect my cell phone onto the CarPlay right here, but we are gonna replace it with the adapter. Okay, I'm gonna take it out, just plug it in right here. We can see that it turns on, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the radio so I can connect it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, and as you can see, it tells us the version that it's running and so that we need to connect it to Bluetooth, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, as you can see, here it is, smart adapter. We're gonna go ahead and pair it. Allow. It's right now pairing. Now it is connected, and there we have it. Okay, you can open the phone, open maps, okay, and everything. We can do the obviously all the configurations that we really have. We can also get the view with the Google Maps, which I think that it comes really handy. Okay, you can also open Spotify and select which song playlist we're gonna play, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's see our library playlists. We can play any kind of music. Which I think that it's nice, and I like that it's just plug and play. You just need to connect it and it will start working. As you can see, the light tells us that it's already connected, and as you can see, it's really easy to use. As I've said, just plug and play, and that way you can have really great and easily the Apple CarPlay upon your phone, upon your car screen, which I think that it's nice overall because it's a nice device that you can gift it to someone, or in case that you need it for yourself. I think that it's great, and overall because it's really nice, I would really recommend it. See you guys.